quad push-up. And quad does not mean for your quadriceps. It stands for your positioning. So another name for it is bear position. So what you're going to do is you're going to set your hands up how you normally would in a plank, hands under shoulders, elbow pits rotated forward, pushing away. But instead of extending out for the push-up, you're going to get your knees stacked directly under your hips, and then you're just going to lift them off the ground. So you're pushing away from the ground, you're hovering, and then you're going to do a push-up. When you do your push-up, try not to let your knees touch the ground. And this works your arms and your abs in a different way, where your hip flexors don't necessarily do the work for you. To make it easier, you can set your knees on the ground and just try for the push-up, work that upper body. To make it harder, you can actually do two things. You can grab your sliders, and if you don't have sliders, you can use a paper or plastic plate for carpet, or you can use sacks or towels for hardwood or tile. The reason this makes it harder is because you now don't have anything stopping your feet, so your core has to stop you. So you set up in the same position. Or, if that's not tickling your fancy, grab your step stool, elevate your feet. The positioning is going to look a little weird because your butt's going to be a little bit higher, but ultimately, when you're working against gravity, it all works. So, set yourself up. Make sure your knees are under your hips. Get the idea? And that is the quad or bear push-up.